Today we're demonstrating our nacho cheese dip. It's a fan favorite here at Bob's. It's great for people who are trying to remove dairy from their diet, but also anyone who just loves a delicious dip. So we're going to go ahead and add all of the ingredients into the high-speed blender. In go the raw cashews, and now we're going to do the nutritional yeast. We're going to go ahead and add the cumin and the paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, and a little bit of cayenne pepper. We're going to add in the jalapeno slices. These are pickled jalapenos. I would not recommend using raw jalapenos. It just has a really green flavor and it sometimes overwhelms the dip. And now we're going to add in some lime juice. So we're aiming for about 3 tablespoons of lime juice. Alright, so we've gone ahead and put in all of our ingredients aside from the water. So you need about anywhere from a 1/2 cup to 3/4 cup of water. It's all going to depend on how much water you got out of the lime, how fresh your cashews are. So we're going to start just by turning this on a low speed. You're going to go ahead and intermittently mix this up just to make sure you're getting the cashews to fall back down to the blender because it does get a bit thick. We're going to add a tiny bit of water to begin with. So I would begin by adding only about a 1/4 cup of water to begin with. Again, keep that on low. Just make sure we don't have any big chunks of spice blend in there. A little bit more water, just to get it moving along. So this is looking to be the consistency we want. It's almost like a really thick bisque. Alright, so now we've got our nacho cheese to where we want it. We're going to go ahead and pour it into a serving bowl. That's it, really. It's an incredibly simple and easy recipe, so this is why we really love to recommend it for demonstrations in store or in classrooms. It's a fan favorite, very delicious, and it'll completely confuse any dairy lovers because it tastes like a nacho cheese dip.